When it comes to professional projection, brightness, clarity, and reliability are everything. The NP-PV800UL-W1 is a professional installation laser projector that delivers 8,000 lumens of high-quality light, supporting 4K input while outputting in WUXGA resolution. It's designed for large venues, corporate spaces, auditoriums, and high-end home theaters, where image quality can't be compromised. Brightness is one of the first things you notice. At 8,000 lumens, this projector produces images that are vivid and legible even in rooms with significant ambient light. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, its laser light engine maintains consistent brightness over thousands of hours, meaning no sudden dimming or costly lamp replacements. Laser technology also ensures uniform color across the entire screen, which is crucial when displaying presentations, videos, or graphics in professional settings. The image processing is precise and detailed. While the projector outputs in WUXGA, it handles 4K content exceptionally well, using advanced scaling to ensure sharpness and smooth gradients. Colors remain accurate and consistent, supporting a wide gamut that's important for presentations, digital signage, and professional content where brand colors matter. Whether it's high-resolution video, charts, or fine text, every detail comes through clearly. Connectivity options are extensive and designed with professional installations in mind. Multiple HDMI ports, DisplayPort, HDBaseT, and network control options like LAN and RS-232 provide flexibility for a variety of AV systems. This makes integration simple, whether it's a new setup or replacing an existing projector. Remote control and network management allow adjustments from anywhere in the room or even remotely, which is especially convenient for ceiling-mounted setups. Installation flexibility is another strong point. Motorized zoom and focus, combined with vertical and horizontal lens shift, allow precise placement without compromising the image. The projector also supports a variety of lens options for short, long, and ultra-short throw setups, making it suitable for different room sizes and layouts. The mechanical design feels solid, providing a dependable solution for professional spaces that need consistent performance over time. Fan noise is minimal for a projector of this class. Even at full brightness, the cooling system manages heat efficiently, so it doesn't distract from presentations or cinematic content. Maintenance is simplified thanks to the laser engine and easily accessible air filter, allowing for long-term use without downtime. This is a big advantage for venues that require reliable performance day in and day out. Image uniformity and detail reproduction are excellent. Text, charts, and visuals appear crisp across large screens, and the projector maintains good contrast without losing clarity in bright scenes. Blacks aren't absolute like in some home cinema projectors, but the balance of brightness and detail is perfect for professional applications. Large-scale projections remain clear and consistent, which is essential for auditoriums or conference rooms. For professional AV setups, this projector is engineered to meet demanding requirements. Its durability, flexible installation options, and advanced connectivity make it a standout option for corporate, educational, and high-end residential applications. Whether it's for lectures, large presentations, cinematic experiences, or digital signage, the NP-PV800UL-W1 provides reliable, high-performance projection. For those looking to invest in a projector that combines power, precision, and long-term reliability, this model delivers on all fronts. Its combination of 8,000 lumens, laser technology, and flexible installation makes it a practical and future-proof choice for any professional setting. If you're interested in getting this projector, check out the link in the description. It's a high-performance, professional-grade projector built to handle challenging environments and deliver stunning results.